check out how I install LVT flooring. Start by preparing the existing floor. Make sure any old silicone or adhesive is removed and the surface is clean, dry and dust free. Measure the length of your room. Work out and mark the middle center point. Draw a straight line through the center of the room. Take 2 LVT planks, clip them together at a 90-degree angle. Place them on your center line. Then clip in the 3rd and 4th plank, staggering the joints, forming a herringbone effect. Take a straight edge and draw a line across the planks where you're about to cut them to form a flush starting point against the wall. Reconnect all cut pieces of vinyl to form a triangle and slide the section up against your back wall. Carry on clipping together each plank from left to right following your center line. Then you can continue fitting your planks down one side of the room. Do the same on the opposite side until you've fitted the last full plank. Now it's time to measure, cut down to size so they fit flush against the edge of the wall, not forgetting your expansion gap. You may need to use a pulling bar to tap in these cut planks. Continue with the cuts all the way around the room until the room is complete. If you'd like to see more how-to videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.